So question number 7. According to oligopoly theory, what is not likely to characterize the behavior in the industry? Option 1, uh, matching any price cuts made by the rival. Okay. Matching any price rises made by the rivals. Okay. Selling a range of similar but differentiated products. The ability to earn supernormal profit. So matching any price cuts made by the rivals, right? So basically, this brings in the game theory in particular, right? Let's say there are there are two industries, dominant firms, and they are both operating in an oligopoly market structure, right? Okay, and if A reduces its price, right? So the demand for its product will rise. So B will also react by reducing its price, right? So A can definitely not be the answer. B, matching any price rises made by the rival. So this can be the answer because if A increases its prices, right, and B still has lower prices, consumers are more likely to purchase products by firm B. So I think B should be the answer. The other options are selling a range of similar but differentiated products. This is a primary feature of an oligopolistic firm. And then the ability to earn supernormal profit. This one's also typical for a firm operating in an oligopoly. So I think B should be the answer to this one. Question number 8. The diagram shows the cost and revenue curves of a monopolist whose only cost of production is a fixed cost. What will be the monopolist's profit maximizing price? Okay, so this one's a bit tough. Let me see. So A is this price over here. So usually the rule is MR equals to MC. Okay, but we know that total revenue is maximized where MR equals to 0. So I think this should be it, where MR equals to 0 is at this point. So, and this is the price. It should be B because the other points really don't mean anything, right? There's no MC because the only cost is total cost, right? And the other points A, B, C don't really mean anything except for D, where MR equals to 0, and we know that MR equals to 0 where total revenue is maximum. So I'm bluffing it. Let's see. Okay, so company R manufactures steel, company S produces ships, company T operates oil tankers, and company V operates cruise liners. Okay, which statement is correct? If R takes over S, this is an example of forwards vertical integration. This is it. This should be it because company R manufactures steel. It's in the let's say it's in the primary stage of production. It's manufacturing steel. Company S produces ships, right? And that's in the secondary stage of production. So if R takes over S, it's definitely a forward vertical integration. It's a vertical integration and it's also forward. Okay, let's look at the other options. S takes over V is an example of backwards vertical integration. Cruise liners, ships, they are all the same. Isn't the same thing? Cruise liners, ships, they're basically ships. Transportation, sea transportation. So this is not a vertical integration. This is a horizontal integration, a merger or a takeover. Actually, a takeover. So B is not the answer. C. If T takes over S, this is an example of diversification. Oil tankers and produces ships. This could be the answer as well, diversification. Company T operates oil tankers. Okay, so it's operates, not produces. And company S produces ships. And if V takes over S, this is an example of horizontal integration. Okay, here's the thing. It says operates and it says produces. So definitely not horizontal integration. We had to focus on the keywords here. They do not produce it. Company S produces ships while company V operates cruise liners. So What I said for option B was also wrong, because it wasn't wrong completely, but it was not horizontal integration, because there's a difference in their line of work. One is a production firm; they produce ships, and one operates cruise liners. So this is not. So this one actually, option B is basically diversification. And finally, D operates oil tankers, S produces ships. I'm confused between A and C. I'll go with A. Anyway, let's check the answers. Okay, so question number 7 is B. This one's right. Question number 8, I bluffed it and it's actually D. Okay, yeah, because the other points really don't mean anything. MR equals to 0 actually signifies that the total revenue at this point is maximum. And then finally, 9. 9 is A, so I still don't get. I'm still confused between A and C, but because the marking scheme says A, it's A.